Hey guys, I'm Utsho. Today I'm gonna show you how you can silence your UPS. This is the UPS I am using to do this work. First, we will remove the all screw with our screwdriver. After opening the UPS, here you can see a little chip. You need to remove it. Don't worry, it won't harm your UPS. Just remove it, then close your UPS. Now very carefully. Here you go, your UPS won't make any sound. When I press it, you can see the line is removed, but the UPS is silenced. If you want to watch more video, I got it in right side. If you want more and more video, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.